Good day, YouTubers. This is Michael Steinmetz here. Today is the 22nd of July. Well, this is a package that came inside a mailbox, and let's open it up. And here we go. Hold on just a second. And here she is. Doctor Who of Creature from the Pit. This is a great story. There's a BBC Purple logo, and there's Doctor Who of... Hold on just a second. And here we go is Doctor Who, the Creature from the Pit. There's a fourth Doctor, Tom Baker. Whoa. Look at that. And here we go. Look on the back. Poor K9 got killed by some kind of a thing it was, but I don't know what this is. And I'm guessing this is it. They got surrounded. They got surrounded. That's very bad. It was. And look on the back. It says story number 106. This is very cool, but I don't know what this says. But it says the DVD extras. We have the audio commentary by the actor Lalla Ward, plays Romana, and I don't know what her name is, but I'll find out. And director Christopher Barry. And here has this one. This is so cool. It says, I don't know what. Team Ertugrul. I don't know what this planet is. And it says Animal Magic, active on set interview with Tom Baker, and extended scenes, photo gallery, and PDF materials. The Radio Times listings. And it says starring Tom Baker and Lalla Ward, written by David Fisher, directed by Christopher Barry, produced by Gretham Williams, and incidental music by Dilly Simpson. Originally transmitted October 27th to November 17th, 1979. It's mono audio. Well, let's open it up. Response card. And there's the fourth Doctor, Tom Baker. The disc of Doctor Who, the Creature from the Pit. Approximately 91 minutes and 41 minutes of extras. Yeah, this is so cool. Well, I guess I'm gonna watch this one and get back to you in a little while. and I'm gonna get back to you in 2 weeks or so. Well, this is Michael Steinmates saying peace.